When the power goes out, no one wants to be left in the dark. Blackouts are inconvenient, the virtual meeting cut off, the lights going out, the stove not working, and the endless questions from the kids asking what happened to the Wi-Fi. And then there is that final moment when the battery in your phone dies. Welcome to the dark ages. In extreme cases where the power is out for a considerable amount of time, there could also be the expense of groceries spoiling in the fridge or potential safety issues when it's -30 out and you don't have heat or hot water. Losing power during extreme weather conditions can be serious business. We can't stop power outages from happening, but what we can do is help to minimize their impact on our homes. Being prepared for a power outage can provide real peace of mind, and by taking a few simple steps, you should be able to stay safe and comfortable. Think ahead. Be sure to create a plan so that everyone understands what to do in the case of an emergency. It can outline safe exit routes, meeting places, and designated roles for family members. An emergency contact list is also important and should include your local hydro provider so that you can quickly report the outage and keep in touch for news and updates. It's always a good idea to maintain a well-stocked and easily accessible emergency kit. You never know when events like power outages may occur, and you'll want to be prepared. Flashlights and new batteries, candles and matches, first aid supplies, bottled water, non-perishable food items, emergency radio, and cash. And don't forget to restock your kit after each use. You'll want to protect your sensitive electrical items such as computers, televisions, and certain home appliances by unplugging them or using surge protectors to avoid damage if the power spikes. And don't forget to keep mobile phones fully charged with a backup battery. Keep your vehicle gas tanks full. Don't open your fridge or freezer unnecessarily. Make sure that your carbon monoxide detectors have battery backup. And if the outage happens during the winter months and lasts long enough that frozen pipes are a concern, you can create a slow drip on both hot and cold water faucets in the kitchen and bathroom to help prevent frozen pipes from bursting. One of the ways that you can help to keep your family safe, warm, and connected is with a backup generator from Reliance. It's a smart investment for Canadian homeowners and one that can help offset the disruption of a power outage by getting you powered back up in seconds and helping to avoid any potential loss or damage. A home standby generator is a backup electrical system that comes on automatically to provide power in the event of a blackout, whether you are home or away. They are installed outside your house like an air conditioning unit, and within seconds of detecting a power outage, they automatically distribute backup power to your entire home or to cover select electrical loads. The great thing is that there won't be any more sitting in the cold and the dark worrying about when the power is going to come back on, no heating or cooling loss, no food to worry about, and no missing work or all-important video game tournaments. Backup generators of this type run on natural gas or propane, depending on your supply, and are fairly easy to maintain. Reliance makes it easy to be ready for the next power outage, and our home comfort advisors and licensed electricians can help you choose a generator that is the right size for your home. And while buying can make sense for some homeowners, many Canadians prefer the peace of mind and flexibility that comes with renting their backup generator from Reliance. You'll get expert installation, 24/7 live telephone support, no charge for repairs, and service as soon as same day including weekends and holidays, all for one affordable monthly payment. To book your free home consultation today, call on Reliance.